Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will start Kinematics chapter 2 Numericals of class 9th. A train moves with the uniform velocity of 36 km. So quickly enlist our data. In a given data, the velocity is equal to 36 km per hour. And the train is moving with this uniform velocity for the time of 10 seconds. So what we have to find? Find the distance traveled by it. The distance that train covers in the 10 seconds when it was moving with uniform velocity of 36 km per hour. So what formula that is suitable to calculate the distance? S is equals to velocity multiplied by time. So before putting the value, we have to make the unit consistent. We have to put all the units in SI units. So to convert the units of kilometers per hour to meters per second, we have to multiply this value with 1000 and divide it by 3600. This will convert the value in 10 meters per second. This is the units of velocity in SI units. Now we have to put the value in the given formula. S is equals to dt, 10 meter per second multiplied by the 10 seconds. It is equals to 100 meters. This is the answer. The train covered 100 meters when it was moving with uniform velocity v for the time t. Let's see the problem statement 2.2. A train starts from the rest. For example, this box representing the train. It has initial velocity of 0. It starts from the rest. It moves a distance of 1 kilometer in 100 seconds. To attain some velocity, at this point it has some velocity Vf, that is the final velocity, and we have to find this velocity after 100 seconds. To attain this velocity, the train moves with the uniform acceleration a, but we don't know the acceleration here. So before calculating the final velocity, we must know the acceleration first, because acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. To calculate the acceleration, we have to use second equation of motion. S is equals to vi t plus half a t square. Now putting all the values in this equation in SI units. Now here this distance is given in kilometers, converted into the SI unit, that is meter. So 1 kilometer multiplied by 1000 will convert it to the 1000 meter. Now distance in 1000 meter multiplied by initial velocity 0 meters per second for 100 seconds plus half, we have to know a, and time is 100 seconds. Now this thing is converted to 0 because 0 multiplied by 100 is 0, and 1 over 2 times acceleration 1/10,000 s square. To solve this mathematical equation, and we will came to know the acceleration is equals to 0.2 meters per second square. Now, as we know the acceleration, we can calculate the final velocity by using the first equation of motion. Vf is equals to vi plus at. So as we know, the initial velocity is 0 meters per second plus acceleration is 0.2 meters per second square multiplied by the time, that is 100 seconds. So the final velocity is 20 meters per second. This is the final velocity. The initial velocity is 0. The train moves a distance of 1 kilometer in 100 seconds with a constant uniform acceleration, and that uniform acceleration is 0.2 meter per second that we have calculated in the second equation of motion. That value we put in the first equation of motion to calculate our final velocity. Thank you very much. In the next lecture we will start from 2.3 onward. If you really understand 2.1 and 2.2, then like my video and share my